Hello, I want to talk to you about the Forgotten Americans. It is estimated that 131,000 veterans are homeless on any given night. Of that number, 6,500 are female veterans on America's streets, double the number a decade ago. According to the Veterans Affairs, women veterans are 4 times more likely than male veterans to wind up homeless. New Beginnings Incorporation provides assistance to veterans whose lives are affected by homelessness, substance abuse, and post-traumatic stress disorder. We are conducting a capital campaign to support our homeless veterans programs in Southern Nevada and in Southern California. For more information on how to donate, please visit our website at www.newbeginningsincorporation.org. Thank you for your support in recognition of the important contribution our men and women veterans have made to this great nation.